Twinkl Originals have a new story. It's called The Adventures of Adelaide Archer, and it's a coming-of-age tale that explores the economic impact of merino sheep wool farming through the eyes of a young girl. It's aimed at primary-aged children in years 3 to 6 and looks at the impact of the introduction of merino sheep on Australia's economic development. It also looks at the impact of the Eureka Stockade and the shearers' strike on the development of democracy, children and schooling in 1890s Australia, wandering shearers and how they walked or rode bicycles across Australia, and the living conditions of shearers in 1890s Australia. You can download the flipbook from the Twinkl website, and I'll be leaving a link to it in the description below, along with some resources that have been created by teachers at Twinkl to complement the story. For example, this PowerPoint presentation will help children better understand the significance of the wool industry in Australia and how it had such a big economic impact on the country. It's really informative and a great complementary resource to the book. There are also comprehension questions to go with each chapter, which is a great way to gauge understanding. Learners can also use the answer sheet to self-check their answers or to check each other's answers when working in pairs. They can also do their own in-depth study with this historical research project resource. It will take them through the steps of planning their research, presenting their findings to the class, and then reflecting on it afterwards. There's also a proofreading activity so that learners can correct the mistakes and test their spec skills. Or try this compare and contrast diagram. It's a great way to guide research on the Eureka Stockade and the shearers' strike of 1891, as learners can identify the similarities and differences between them. And if you want to bring the adventure to life, there is also a Snowdrop Biscuits recipe, so you can recreate the historical tasty treat that's referenced in the story. For more Twinkl original stories for a variety of age ranges and resources that go with them, check the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.